Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from previous MSET question paper. The question is integral tan 2 tan x by 1 plus 2 tan square x dx. Right? I wrote that as tan x in terms of sine and cos. I wrote integral 2 sin x by cos x plus 1 by 2 sin square x by cos square x will get. So if you take LCM in the denominator, you will get cos square x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. Numerator, in the numerator you have cos x and the denominator you are having cos square. So cos x and cos square x get cancelled one time. Okay. So here what left? 2 sin x by cos square x plus 2 sin square x by cos x. This cos x comes to numerator and you will get this step. Integral 2 sin x cos x by cos square x plus 2 sin square x dx. Cos square x can be written as how? 1 minus sin square x, because sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So here cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x. Right? So we wrote in that way. Now what we will get in the next step? Minus sin square x plus 2 sin square x, you will get plus sin square x. So integral 2 sin x cos x by 1 plus sin square x dx you have. Okay. Now if you take the denominator 1 plus sin 2x, I took it as t and I derivated both sides. What you will get? D by dx of 1 is 0. D by dx of sin square x is 2 sin x. And this sin x again get derivated and we will get cos x dx equals to dt. Okay, now substitute these values in the particular expression. In this integral, what you will get? 2 sin x cos x dx is nothing but dt and 1 plus sin square x is nothing but t. So integral dt by t. So what is integral 1 by x? Log x, log mod x. So log mod t we got here. What is t actually? 1 plus sin square x. Substitute that value. But 1 you can write as cos square x plus sin square x, right? Plus sin square x plus c. So here you will get cos square x plus 2 sin square x. I took 2 common in both terms, and what we will get? Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x plus c. This can be written as, we have a formula in logarithms, that is log ab equals to log a plus log b, right? Using this we separated this. This is a and this full is b. So log a plus log b. So log 2 value is nothing but 0.3 and so on something. So if you round it off, you will get 0. So 0 plus anything is the same number you will get. So log of cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 mod plus c. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.